Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I want to show you how I make tomato sauce. This sauce is going to be very simple but it's going to taste very delicious. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video to help someone, invite your friend and family. Let's get into it. So as you can see, I have put my chicken inside my pot. So I've added pepper, I added Maggi, onion and salt. So I'm going to steam this chicken for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes we are going to come back to it. So I've removed my chicken. So after I finish cooking my chicken, I remove it. So right now we are going to start the sauce right now. So I've added my groundnut oil. So I got this groundnut oil in African shop. It's called kuli oil. I think this is what they use for suya, to make suya with. So I got this in African shop. If you want to check it out, you can check maybe around your area where there is African shop. I'm sure you can get it. So, and this pot you can see is a new pot. So if you want to check out this pot, I'm going to drop the link below so you can check it out. There's a discount on this pot. Once you click on this link, it's going to take you to where you will get a discount, and it's very affordable. Okay, and this is non-stick. So let's continue with the cooking. So right now I'm going to add my onion. So right now I'm going to add my pepper. This is Scotch bonnet and Egyptian pepper and the green pepper. So I just had to mix all together because I want it to be very spicy. So if you don't like pepper, this is optional. You can use any pepper of your choice. So after that, just mix it together so that the pepper will go into the oil to give a very good flavor. So right now I'm going to add my tomato. It's sliced already, so make sure to slice your tomato in small chunk piece. So right now, as you can see, I've added my tomato, so I'm going to mix it together also. So I'm going to add my nut cube. So I've added 2 pieces of nut cube. So right now I'm going to add my Nigerian thyme. So this is a Nigerian thyme, okay? And I have my Nigerian curry also, which I'm going to add also. Without curry and thyme, you cannot get the taste of this tomato sauce. So make sure to add both. Okay, so I'm going to add my crayfish also. So on this sauce we are adding crayfish all together. So after adding the crayfish, if you know you can't get this curry and thyme, so make sure to check out the link in the description below. I'm going to drop a link of this curry and thyme where you can get it. If maybe in your area you cannot get it, or maybe you're not living in Nigeria, you can check out the link. So I'm going to drop it here. So, and also for this pot I'm going to drop a link also below. Make sure to check it out and you will get a discount through this link. Okay, so let's continue with the video. So right now I'm just going to cover it for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes we are going to come back to it. So right now I'm going to add my chicken. So just pop your chicken inside. So this chicken, you see, I slice it into a small chunk. So I don't need a big chicken to make a small stew. So just use, you can use chicken, you can use dry fish, you can use beef. Anyone gizzard, you can use it. So anyone that is very close to you, you can just make use of this. Okay. So guys, as you can see, my sauce is ready. This tastes very delicious. You can use it with rice, with spaghetti, with anything of your choice. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. Bye.